Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to fully load your Fire Stick. Some people call it jailbreaking. Fully load it from beginning to the end. I'm going to show you the best store setup and the best, most up-to-date applications that are all working that I take care of every single few days to make sure you guys stay up to date. Now, if something doesn't work, comment below as well and I'll take care of it as soon as I can. Now, on your Fire Stick, all you have to do is go to the gear icon to get started and go to My Fire TV, and once you're there, I have developer options. If you don't have it, simply click on About, and this works on every Fire Stick device with the exception of the Fire Stick Select. Now click on your device about 8 times the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you're already a developer. So for you, it'll say now you are a developer. So when you click back, you'll see that developer options is now already there. Now that's a great thing. Now once you do that, you can just simply hit the back arrow. Let's go to preferences really quickly and make sure we go to privacy settings. And from here, manage sharing from apps, make sure it's off. Okay, device usage data to the off position as well. Collect app usage data to the off position. Interest-based ads to the off position. Now when you do all that, press the home button and now we can proceed to the next step. Go to find, go to search. Click inside of the search. And now you can use the Alexa remote and search for an application called Downloader. Downloader. You can also type it in as well if you don't want to use the Alexa voice remote. Let's do that. Now it's going to come up and it should be an orange icon, just like that. Make sure you don't get any fake applications here. Press on the Downloader application. It's going to take you to the next screen. On this next screen, we're going to download our Downloader application by just pressing on it. That's going to download our Downloader application, 667 reviews. Now you know you're getting the real Downloader application. Now when it downloads, it's going to open up, but we're not going to do anything yet from here. When we press open and open it up, just press the OK button. And now simply when you do that, just press the home button. There's a couple of steps we still need to take. Now go to settings. Now go to My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and make sure we turn that downloader to the on position just like that. Now once you do that, press the home button. Okay. Now before we proceed to the other step, let's go to find to load our store. Search, and this is a very important step. In the Amazon store, search for another application called Surfshark. Okay. Search for that just like that. Surfshark, one word. Okay. Once you find that, click on Surfshark. Okay. Now you'll see something like this. Click on that. That's going to search for the Surfshark application. Now from here, all we want to do is click the download the Surfshark application. Now this will allow us to proceed to the next step to be able to load our favorite store, to be able to get our applications. Okay. Give it a minute here. It's going to come up and we're just going to load it. Okay, press the download. And now once it queues, 44,000 reviews here, 4 stars, 3,200 servers with 100 gigabytes speeds. Therefore, we're not going to be able to get any buffering. It's going to work very well for us. Once it installs, we're just going to open it up by pressing the open button. Now it's going to come up with our application, blue screen like this. It should successfully install directly from the Amazon store. And when it installs, all we have to do is press the login button right here. Now on this screen, we'll need to provide an email and password to log in. Now to get your own account is super simple. Just scan this barcode here. I'll show you on the screen right here. Okay. Once you scan this barcode, or go to the link here, whatever's easier for you. Also, there's a clickable link in the pinned comment description. You're going to end up being on their landing page. Now on that landing page, you're going to select your package. Now this is a very special landing page because this landing page gives you 80+% off discount for an account, which means it's $2 and change to get you set up, to get you started, and to be able to access the store without any interruptions and to be able to get the store, because internet service providers are blocking access to the store. Therefore, you can't proceed to the next step unless you're fully protected and fully set up with a server, which I'll explain in details. Now, you can pause the video and scan this barcode or go to the link in the pinned comment description, or just type this link on your phone, whichever way is easier. This works on all devices, Fire Sticks, on TV boxes, Android boxes, NVIDIA Shields, iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, PCs, all across the board. One account, you can have unlimited accounts and gets you protected. One account only will have you safe and anonymous streaming and access to the store. Now, how much does this cost? $2 and change, like I said. A cup of coffee per month, that's how much it's going to cost you, no more than that. It's going to unlock your Fire Stick and give you access to so much more streaming content, so many more links and so much special events and everything like that. And it's going to keep you anonymous and secure while streaming. So take care of that. Pause the video if you need to. And once you sign up for your account with Surfshark, you'll get an email confirmation from them, confirm your account, and then log in with the email and password that you created on their website when you checked out on their website and got that 80+% off through this special link that I'm providing to you guys, okay? Now, once you do that, log in. I'll show you the special server setup to get started. So when you log into your account, it's going to look exactly the same. And I'll leave the information here. If you haven't had the opportunity to take care of that discount, you can still do so. And I highly recommend that you do so you don't get any interruptions. Go to settings. Once you do that, go to VPN settings. Now, auto connect, turn it on. Use small packets. Make sure this is on. Okay. Now, once you do that, click the back arrow. Go back to Surfshark logo right there at the top. Go to search. Click inside of search and search for USA. Let's search USA. Okay, search just like that, USA. Press the next button. Once you find the USA, just choose any USA server and click on it. And that's going to automatically pop up. You're going to press OK. And it's going to connect for you to a US server. Make sure you're connected to a US server. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. Always use the United States server. Okay, and we're connected here and fully secure. Now, take care of that if you haven't, and let's go to the next step to access the store. Press the home button, and once you're there on the next step, you simply go to My Apps and Games, okay, and open up the downloader application, and in here, click up, and then put in the following URL. We're going to put in just like that, just like you see it on the screen. Just put that whole URL right inside. Okay, let's put that in. And once you're done that, simply press that go button. Once you put that URL, it's going to say connecting. And once you connect, you're going to see I'm moving the cursor around, left, up, and down. You're just going to scroll down. Okay, let's scroll down here until you see download APK Android. You're going to click on that. Now that's going to come up with our connecting status. It's going to start downloading the application. And we're going to press install on that application. And when it's finished, you simply just want to press the done button here. Okay, that's it. Press the delete and press the delete to delete the installation file. Press the home button. And the last step we need to do after the installation is settings, My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and turn that unlinked to the on position just like that. And once you do that, press the home button. Go to My Apps and Games and launch this application right here. We just downloaded with our VPN running and protection. Before I open up any applications, I make sure my VPN is on. Press new library and enter the code Firestick. If you do have an error, make sure the VPN is on. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put in the code Firestick lowercase. Okay. Once you do that, press the next button. Now that's going to load the store. This will come up right here, just like that. You want to press the enter button. And once you're in my store, you can scroll through all the categories. I'm just going to go to my best apps and I'm going to load our best applications. But don't forget, I'm going to just name them right away because I'm not going to install them all. I'm just going to show you exactly which ones they are and make sure you get the players for it. So I'll show you one as an example and then you'll know the rest. So this is my favorite application. It's great for movies and TV shows. Number one, probably, you just press the download button and that installs the application. Okay, that's all I'm doing is scrolling around, clicking. You can go to live TV section, sports section, press install app on my favorite application, and that installs that application. Now, once that's done, you can get other applications. My second favorite one that I highly recommend today is this one. So just click on it, download, and install that application. But don't forget to also get the special player. It says beside the name. And my third one would be this one. Great 3 applications. So this one, and this one will keep you covered for pretty much everything. You can get all these other ones. They're really great as well, and they work, but some of them require a player. So for example, this one requires which player? This one requires this drama player, okay? This one doesn't require a player. This one requires bear player. This one requires bear player. So you go to media players and you would get the players. So bear player, and you press the download, or drama player for the other one, and you just press the download if you ever wanted that. Very easy, but those are my 3 favorite ones that I just shown you. They're really incredible. And then you just get the players for whichever ones is specified, okay? But one of them doesn't need a player. Some need a player, some don't. And you would just press install the player, and that would install the player. Now you can scroll up and down, left to right to get many applications. It's all up to date and it's all working. I update my application almost constantly to give you guys the best streaming experience. Now press the home button and you're done. You can go back to the store at any time, go in my apps and games, and you can go back to the store and install those applications. This is my favorite one, and the other ones I showed you can just install them. They'll show up here and they're fully working. Now for this entire process, my VPN was on, so if you want the updates for the apps and you want to continuously accessing the store and not to get locked out, please scan this barcode right here. You're going to get 80% off. It's a cup of coffee per month, $2 in change, unlimited devices, streaming great, fast servers. I've been connected here for 4 minutes. I've been downloading, I've been doing things, and it's super fast and it's not going to buffer for you at all. This is great, okay? So take care of that if you haven't. Very easy to do. You're going to get a special discount through this barcode at 80% off, a cup of coffee per month. Okay, so now once you're done that and you want to go back to the store, you can go back at any time to my apps and games and go back into the store and get more applications. Now that pretty much, you can load your Fire Stick, get all the updates, get everything that you ever wanted, and that's all there. So let me know in the comments below if this app you like. Do you like any other apps? Is some apps need updating? Let me know which ones you tried, which one don't work for you. Very important, if something doesn't work, just comment below which device you're using, like which Fire Stick version, if you know. Also tell me which app didn't work and exact error if something doesn't work, and I'll go back into the store and I'll get that fixed for you guys and gals right away. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. One thing I ask for, just drop a comment below, hit like, hit subscribe. I really appreciate if you guys comment below. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for a donation. I just ask for a comment. Just say anything you want. If something works, say great, it worked. You know, if it didn't work, let me know which one didn't work. Also tell me which city or town you're representing, where you're from. That'd be awesome. That'd be amazing. Hit the follow, hit the like button, and share my videos with family and friends on social media. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful, beautiful day and take care.